Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out Resso apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Resso apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna log out at the Resso app, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the me at the bottom, click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the setting icon at the top, and in here you can swipe down until you can see logout, this one. So you just click on it, and then in here you just click on the yes. Okay, and maybe if you wanna link your Resso app with a Facebook, you can click on the link, but in here because I don't have a Facebook, so I click cancel and finish. So that's how to log out Resso apps music. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.